Hey guys, I just noticed that this siphon valve, or anti-siphon valve I should say, was leaking, so I've just turned this off. This goes to the Orbit sprinkler system, and I just undid this with a wrench and it was really hard to get off. So I'm just taking off to find out what's going on in here. It's pretty clean. So this bit here must be flogged out. So I'm going to try and find replacement for that. So I'm going to go to the hardware store and see what I can do. Here's the kit at Lowe's. It's $10. Probably double the price of getting it online, but I needed to get one quick. I didn't want that water leaking any longer. This old one is really crisp and it's coming off pretty easy. So that's a good thing. So this part here obviously replaces this part. The rubber washer, I had to get out of here, find the right size one, put it on there. And the next part is to find the ring, which is the same size as this one. So I'm guessing it's probably this one. So I'll take the old one off and put on the new one. It's pretty loose. I suppose it's, maybe they're supposed to be. Okay, well, and that goes back in, well, that goes back in there like that. Holding it all together, put that in there. The ring's probably going to have to sit there like that as it screws in, that's fine. And tighten that up tight by hand, but I will get the multi grips on there again and try and take that off with the wrench back on there and try and tighten that up a little more. But okay, after tightening that up, turn it back on and she's drip free. But that's how you fix that. The hardest part about all of this is, and the kit was $10 obviously, the hardest part about all of it was loosening this. And to loosen it, I sprayed a little bit of CRC under here, or WD-40, and really had to give it to it. Just be careful when you are using a wrench on it that you don't twist this off the pipes here. You may need to have somebody hold this or have something hold this while you twist on this. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody.